Okay, hey folks, hey future millionaires. This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. But in this video here, I'm gonna show you how to easily copy and paste ads, advertisements online to make $100 to $300 a day. Okay. Now listen, I'm gonna log in here. This is my account. Let me log into my Stripe account. This is where the money comes in, okay? Comes in all day, every day. And this is a very new method. I did it. I just copy and paste ads, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's a full in-depth training here, and I'm gonna do it for you right now, okay? Is that cool? Okay, let me know where you guys are calling from. Let me know your city and state and province so I can do more videos based off your location, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go down here and basically show you the money that I'm making. It's not a lot of money, but it's okay. Yesterday I did $900. Today we're up $852. And as you can see here, this is July 31st, 2020. And this is brand new. I just started this actually. This month so far, month to date, it's been $42,000. Not too bad, right? $42,000. It's a brand new company. New stream of income, basically doing exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video for free. All I suggest you do is to like it and share it. That shows me that you appreciate me. I would do more videos like this, and I will expose internet marketers that are online that's making you pay for a lot of things that are free, and you can do this like on your own record, okay? If you guys are with me, comment the word "let's go." If you want me to keep moving forward, go ahead and like this video, share the button, hit the share button, and just let me, listen, you don't have to share. It just shows me that you appreciate what I'm doing, okay? So here it is. Here's the site here, the freeadform.com. Listen, you don't have to pay money for me to tell you that, right? Some people do, right? They make you pay money before they show you sites like this. And there's billions of websites, but there's certain websites like this that allow you to basically publish an ad for free. And I'm gonna do it in this video. We're gonna do a live ad. I'm gonna show you how you can do it live and how you'll see money in your account. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. All right, so you guys with me? Okay. All right, so thanks for the shares and the likes, by the way. All right, now listen. All you have to do is this: register for a free account. Can you do that? Because it's free. Okay, see that? A free ad form. And the great thing about the ad form is, many people don't know about it. Now, the big guys do. But like you, your newbies, you don't know about this, right? Because they'll never tell you this because they don't want you using some of these very behind-the-scenes websites that people don't know about. But they get 100,000 views a day, okay? A day. 100,000, okay? This is why the ads that I put here, okay, personally here, I know what you guys thinking. I love Wesley Virgin. Why would he give that for free? Let me tell you why, because I believe service leads to greatness. If I serve people, and I'm gonna serve for billions of people, and I'm gonna help them make money, and me and you together gonna be in Bora Bora, you know, hanging out butt naked. If you're a man, it'll be with women. If you're a woman, it'll be with men, if that's your choice. And we're gonna toast, and we're gonna enjoy life, okay? So basically, the ad that I put on that ad form right now is doing this amount of money per day on autopilot for me, okay? And the great thing about it's free. So I'm gonna do it step by step. I'm gonna post the ad, and I want you just to follow me. If you're smart, you have a laptop right next to you, and then maybe tomorrow morning you don't have to go to your job, okay? Because you're making a ton of money online with Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. So here we go. We're gonna hit publish ad. You got to get a free account. Now listen, I think anybody can sign up for this. I'm not sure if they have any restrictions as far as where you live, but just check it. I'm not sure. And it is absolutely free. This is free. You pick the category. Category you want to choose is probably work from home, okay? Now listen, you can choose any one of these categories because you can promote your business, your business, like if you have a conventional business, if you're selling products on the internet, or if you want to be an affiliate and promote my product, because that's what I'm doing. I'm just promoting my own product, you know, just because it works. Work from home, okay? Now you may say, well, Wesley Virgin, what do I use as a title? I don't know what to write here. What do I write in the ad? Well, it's easy. Just, hold on. just go over here to my secret Wesley $1 billion Virgin's swipe file here. And I've never shared this before, never. Okay, and all I do is I'll just scroll through. I've been using this for years, I swear to God. Like, I've been using the swipe file for years. You know, all those cool headlines. So you just choose one. They all work. These have made me millions of dollars, by the way. So we'll choose that. Attention, start today, get paid today. All right? It's something simple. You just find one what you think, you know, which one. They all work, so it don't really matter. They're going to get clicks, okay? They're going to get people that's going to come to your offer. Then you go back here, okay? And you just copy and paste. See what I did there? Is everybody with me so far? How many of you love me so far? I mean, this is, I don't know how easy I can make this. Like, I know you guys like, Wesley, I'm going to give you a like and a kiss, and I love you. I understand that. But listen, it is just really, it's copy and paste here. Go back to the swipe file here. Scroll down. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Scroll down, scroll down to the swipe file. Copy and paste, add body. And I just copy this. I mean, like, you know, I don't have to use my brain and my mind to try to figure it out. I just use what the gurus are using. Use what Wesley is using. Hold on. Let me try to copy this. All right. Copy that. And I go back here and I just paste it. This is going to be the contents of the ad right here, right? So you just make it look kind of pretty here. Make it look pretty. And now look, I'm in my bedroom. I'm looking at my own YouTube channel here, hanging out in Houston, Texas, while everybody is partying and having fun. I'm making money because I like to focus on the money, because money gives you options. Make sense? And if you want options, you want to make money, okay? If you want an easier life, make money. And for the people that believe money don't buy everything, you just don't know where to shop. I'm telling you, money, you know, money don't buy happiness. Okay, I'm not sure about that, buddy. So now you want to choose your country, your personal location. I'm in the United States of America here. Proud to be an American, okay? I'm in Texas, right? Texas boys, you know, Houston, Texas boys. Choose your city and state here, okay? Go to Houston. And like I said, just, where's Houston? Oh, there it is. Okay, and you don't have to fill in all that. Now listen, that has the website, right? Now understand this. The website obviously has to be the website that you want people to click on to buy the product, so you can make money like that. Make sense? Right. So that means that you have to do two things, okay? You either got to have your own product online, or, listen, or you need to promote another program. And you know what I'm going to do? I know some of you guys are asking for the swipe file. You know what? If I get 50 likes on this video, 50 shares and 50 likes, I'm going to leave this swipe file below. I spent years creating this, and I give it to you for free. How about that? Okay, I'll put the link. All you have to do is share it and like it. If you guys work together and do it, I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay, I'm not going to charge you a dime for it. Is that cool? Now, how about that? That's crazy, right? Who does that? Wesley $1 billion Virgin does. Okay, so basically, you need a program. So I do suggest, and I'm not trying to be partial to Wesley Virgin. I mean, listen, I go to digitalstore.com, digitalstore24. Okay, go to that website. It's called an affiliate platform. These guys are the people that pay you, right? You get paid from these people. Every time a sale happens, they're going to pay you. You go to Marketplace because you need to promote a product to put on this site, right? You need something to promote. So that's easy, right? Just go here and, okay, well, Wesley Virgin, he's number one. See, sales rank number one. I'm number one in the world. I'm grateful. And the reason why I'm number one, because this program right here is helping a ton of people make a ton of money, period. It's changing their poverty mindset, or that mindset of mediocrity, to a mindset of abundance very fast, okay? That's the reason why out of 175 products, I'm number one. Well, that's cool, right? So what you do is, as a newbie, you just hit promote now. Now listen, you need to have an account. The only reason why you didn't see the link, because you gotta have an account. when the link pops up, you will see the link. This is the link that you want to place here, okay? Here. Or you can create a redirect, okay? Or that link, you can go to a site that's called, bit.ly.com. Go to bit.ly.com. Hold on. And you can shorten the URL if you want to, okay? This site, you can put your affiliate link right here that you get from this site, remember? And remember, you can always go to my YouTube channel. I have a video called Digistore 24, and it's a tutorial, and I show you exactly how to use it, okay? It's really simple, and they pay a lot of money, okay? To you, immediately, okay? So, let me move on here. So, I'm going to use overnightmillionaire.net, because that's the link that I want to promote, okay? Overnightmillionaire.net, because I want to become an overnight millionaire, right? I want to teach people. And you know, I got that name. I created that name because people was calling me. They used to call me an overnight millionaire or overnight success, because all of a sudden I went from a small apartment to a penthouse. I went from a whole 1988 Honda Accord to a brand new $180,000 4x4 G-Wagon. So people used to say, you're overnight success, you're overnight millionaire. So I said, okay. I bought the domain and the program was created, okay? Keywords, pretty easy here. It's in the swipe file too, but work from home. Work from home, right? Phone number, you can skip all that stuff. Then YouTube video. Now understand this. Let me make it easy for you. You might say, well, Wesley, I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't have a YouTube video either. So all you have to do is just use mine, right? I'm nice. I'm a nice guy. Because my videos, they convert very well, right? Which means is people like my videos because I actually don't bullshit. I just tell people how to make the money. I don't tell too many stories about how I was broke and destitute and how I went to the gas station and spent 2 pennies to put 2 pennies of gas in my gas tank. No, I don't. I mean, you know how it is. Like I'm just like you. I grew up on the south side of Houston, Texas, in the hood, not the hood, but you know, it is what it is, okay? I don't have any degrees. I don't have any type of specialized education, but I know how to make money on the computer, and I teach people like you, newbies, dogs, cats, boys, girls, anybody can do it actually. Okay, so what you can do here is go to this channel. I do recommend to take this video here. This video has been seen about 21 million times. So use this video. So you go to my channel here, you type in the Millionaire Mindset, Get Rich and with a Millionaire Mindset, Wesley Virgin. You copy that link here. See, I'm doing all the work for you. Okay, because you want people to click and buy the product, right? Of course. Then you scroll down here and you put the YouTube right there. See? Boom. And that's it. Look, that's finished. And the great thing about it, it's going to be on the site for 90 days. So you're going to have a free advertisement that's going to be on this site every single day working for you while you're just doing whatever you do. And it's going to be here for 90 days. And listen, they do have other options if you wanted to feature it, you want to highlight it. But if you're like me, well, if you're like me like 10 years ago, broke, just hit no thanks. And you just hit the publish button right here. Publish. And bada boom, bada bing, you're done. See? Done. Within hours or about a day, it'll just start showing up like this. You just see your advertisement right there. Does that make sense? If I gave you great value, please go ahead and hit the like button now, okay? Like I said below, I do videos every day. The more that you like and share this content here, the more you like and share this content and leave comments below so I can create more videos based off your country and where you live and based off your level of expertise, I would do more videos. If you're a newbie, just comment newbie. If you're a veteran, comment veteran. I help veterans too. If you're not doing like $1 million a month, then you probably can use my help, you know? And I'm not trying to impress you. It's just money. It's not a big deal, actually. But I pride myself because I help hundreds of thousands of people make money just like myself. I love you. I appreciate you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's get it. Let's go.